Oh, okay. Alright. Finally, a new episode of the Diamond and Pearl and Platinum shows out. So let's do this. Yep. Alright. Sure. Yep. Alright.
Have you noticed anything different about you?
I still look fine. Just look at differential stat points. It's even lower.
It's lower.
Whatever.
Guys, we have our unofficial Lycanroc from 2015.
What does that mean?
It means I'm here. Oh yeah, that one.
What is this? Egypt Central?
I think so.
You can tell by my fur colors, characteristics of Lycanroc,
What the
etc.
fuck? What the hell?
I'm starting to feel overlapped about this.
Oh!
How uneasy.
Oh my god!
Very. It's in release.
You can tell by it.
This is really overturning my heart.
And
I got to be tough guy Lycanroc. Look out world. I'm gonna mess with bullies if they don't stay away from Pokemon. It's horrible not knowing if Dusk Lycanroc is now gonna be tough.
I know, it's too much.
Please don't. Don't do it.
Pressure.
Trasher.
I dislike you.
Hey guys, who's this black dark wolf?
Not sure.
Another unofficial Lycanroc from 2009.
And we don't know what form it's at.
Must have been a ferocity since 2009.
Or something that is a unique form.
No, you're wrong. It is a dark type Lycanroc.
Nope.
Or something like that.
What are you? A monster.
Come on! They're not unofficial Lycanroc forms. They're just wolves from the animated series Winx Club.
Ew.
Should have been wrong.
Never heard of that show.
Oh.
I prefer Dragon Ball. Drake the Dragon Shot.
Shut up!
Town Guy is my show.
Paw Patrol is more important.
Vampire Knife is dark.
Arceus Life is
The
still pretty
Pampa.
fantastic. Show.
I'll go get a fake blood from
Egypt
Vampire
Central.
Knight.
Nah, I don't
Linkin
know.
Park. And what is that again?
Don't get tensed up about Vampire Night.
What the? This is. What
Do
the
I have
hell?
to say that again? No, unofficial Lycanrocs are fake.
Whoops.
Hey, that's me.
I'm jealous. You should be. Hold up, hold up. Fake?
Not real.
Lycan killer. Okay, Pinhead, stop impersonating me. Who you calling us Pinhead?
Oh.
We don't wear pins. Do I have to show my fluffy chest to prove you wrong?
There goes 23%.
Oh god.
Sometimes those unexpected moments happen in those episodes of Pokemon.
Hey, look, it's a Bucciana.
That unexpectedly
Mighty Anna, you mean? Oh, sorry, Mighty Anna.
Although my bro
When is our Mighty Anna gonna return soon?
that unexpectedly
I don't know.
unexpected moments happen. Look at him. Be careful. I wouldn't do mess with you if I were you. Get
Oh.
out of here.
Okay,
You're all-
what? Alright. Well, that was fun. Yeah. How many... Yeah. Wait a minute. How many months has been since the last episode? I think was like... a month ago. I think it was like a month ago. I don't remember. I have to check after this. I have to check out. I have to check out. Anyway, that was fun. Yeah. And I was continuing this pizza. Yeah.